Okay, so next we can remove this one. We have it collisions. Here's the interesting effect. We can include diagonal collisions, so when, for example, it's hit, or we can also separately see what's happening. For example, if we add additional particle and we says on a collision, let's say it will give me 2 meters per second velocity, and I want to create 3 particles, maybe plus minus some of this. Okay, compute. And right here you can see when this collide, it's actually generating particles and collide again. Remember what I says about pre-cache, because we did not clear up some of the properties of this particle still stored, which is kind of nice because you can create it. So we'll go inside and I want to disable some of these properties. Okay. So let's go ahead and you can see right here we created, except on these red ones as example, what I want to do, I want increase velocity, maybe 270, let's put it 30 right here. Also I want disable inherit velocity, and the next one I want to do on collision actually pop up them more, so I will add 5 meters per second. We'll go calculate, and you can see it's kind of almost like hit and spread around. Okay, next things what I want to do as well, on a collision I want to enable die for these blue ones. So what's happening when they hit, they'll disappear and they switch to other particles. So it's almost hit. This way you can create a water drops that when they hit, they split in another particles. You also can create effect of the actual water splash by converting in different particles, and we'll look at this in a depth how we can do this when we go there. But example right here, let's pop up to the 10. Okay, let's have it a little bit higher velocity. Okay, as well we're going inside and properties right here, drag cafe sand. So actually what I want to do, I want to pop up to maybe about 9, very high one. So our velocity will lose. You can see we create fast and it kind of settle. Original fast and go down. Again, we can modify, see if we reduce by 4. Okay, right here, compute. So a little bit better. And you see bouncing of the elasticity added. So small look almost like bubbles. We can again add it so it will be more smaller and smaller bubbles. But again, we go down and we change. Again, this is if we look on the collisions. As well, we can do same things for another particles, make even smaller and smaller, so we can go down to this. But currently, this is what we've done. On a collision, the particles disappear, and it's creating additional with a velocity 7 meters per second, plus minus little offset. Create 10 of them count, one plus minus variety, so it will create from 9 to 11 particles. So we have this randomization added. Again, this is we control it by function editor or driving through the function if needed.